Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. I'm analyzing this stock HDFC Life Insurance. Okay, see this stock HDFC Life Insurance has taken this support again and it is trying to reverse back today. Okay, what can happen tomorrow? See, if the stock tomorrow manages to give a breakout above this region by opening flat, if it gives a breakout above this region, then we will buy above the 30-minute candles high. Why I'm telling 30-minute candle high? Because in the first 30-minute Nifty might give a upside breakout or the downside breakout, because currently the Nifty is trading around lifetime high. So if Nifty supports this trade of ours in the first 30 minutes, then only the stock will manage to go towards the upside. See, this level is acting as a swing resistance for this stock. Okay, so the stock has to cross this level of 668 669 rupees for sure. So let any 15-minute candle open like this and go above this level, then only consider buying. Okay, now what will happen if the stock will open gap up? If the stock opens gap up around here, okay, it will come and test this level of 666 665 rupees, and if it starts to reverse from this level and breaks this high, then consider buying this stock for 685 level. Okay, and if you want to invest in this stock, okay, then currently this is one of the best level to invest in this stock. You can invest 30% of your capital. 30% of your capital does not mean the total 30% of your capital. No, I mean that if you want to invest in 10 shares of HDFC Life for long run, then you can buy 3 shares at current market price, and after that if market goes till 620, which will be around 8 to 9% correction from this level, then you can invest 30% here, or you will buy 3 more shares here and you will buy 3 more shares here. So for the long run your average price will come around here, and let us say if the stock falls below from this level, then you can average around 492 as well. Okay, so this is short averaging technique which I will teach you later guys. Okay, but currently if the stock manages to go above this highs, you can buy for swing as well, for long term as well. So this is my short analysis for HDFC Life. Thank you for watching, but consider buying only and only if Nifty is bullish, and if Nifty gives an all-time high breakout, then only the stock will further rally. If the Nifty goes below this level of lifetime high by taking resistance, then you can not buy this stock. This stock will not give you enough return. It will fall till 624 rupees first. Okay, so if this will be the first level to invest. Thank you for watching.